Need help locating a children's ebook? Here's a simple tutorial to help you do just that. Start on the library's homepage and scroll down until you find the Research Guides tab. This will direct you to a page with a giant list of guides. From here, you'll need to scroll down until you find the Education section. Once you click on it, you will be met with another drop-down menu. Locate and click on Literacy in Elementary School. Doing this will take you to a page that lists what can be found in the Research Guide. To find what we need to click on eBooks. Once you've done that, you can select what to do next from 3 options. The first option is Pollock Shelf, which is a virtual bookshelf for 75 K-12 ebooks. To gain access, you will need to ask the library help desk or use the online chat feature to get the username and password. Our second option is to use the free ebook collections on the web. These provide ebook collections that are accessible online and are available to the general public. The final option, and the one we will be using, is EBSCOhost. From here, we can type in our topic and hit search. On the EBSCOhost page, there is a hyperlink that reads, Searching ebook K-8 collection. If we click this, we can go in and deselect any databases that are currently being searched. For example, if we don't want ebooks from the eBook High School collection, we can simply uncheck it from the list. Once you've deselected the databases you don't want to look through, hit search again. Now we can easily locate the book we want. To locate the actual text, click on the title, then click Access Now. And there you have it. Now you can locate children's ebooks using our library database.